Hi everyone, today I have another unboxing for you. It's for the Ipsy Boxycharm Premium for the month of April. I'm really excited about this box. As always, thanks for all that you do to support the channel. Like, comment, subscribe, telling me that you want me to upload more and that you like unboxing videos and want to see more of these. I'll put them all together in a playlist so they're easy to find. Thanks so much for your support. So this is how it looks, and I already can tell that I'm really excited about this one. So I'll have Ipsy Boxycharm linked underneath if you want to know more about the cost and how it all works. But I've been subscribed to, and these are some of the power clicks that you could have picked. I've been subscribed to Ipsy Boxycharm for like 3 years now, I think. I really enjoy this subscription, and what I love the most, honestly, about it now is that you can pick 3 products. So I do really enjoy the monthly subscription, but I love that I can pick as well. So the first thing I chose is the Deep Cleanser with red clay. It says helps remove excess oil and unclog pores, safe for sensitive skin. I just think this brand is really well known. I want to try more from them. And also, I always love a good cleanser, so I'm super happy with that. The second thing I chose as well is this Kailani invite only amber perfume. It's like a travel, and it says it's a travel size, and it says that it has black honey, tobacco leaf, chocolate hazelnut, amber and resin, and Madagascar vanilla. So this is a really big brand of perfume, again at Sephora. I'm just gonna open it up here. This brand's like at Sephora and everything, and it's not cheap. This is how it looks. I'm gonna open it up and smell it because I'm gonna use this right away. The packaging's beautiful. I love a good vanilla scent. Let's see how it smells. Ooh, I love the bottle. It's glass and it has a spray. Wow. Yeah, so I really love this scent. It's something I would really wear. It's like a kind of like an evening scent, like a dark kind of moody vanilla musky scent. I really love this. Also so happy about the brand and so happy to have this for my purse or travel. It smells delicious. Super excited about that. This next product they chose for me, it says slushy hyaluronic acid and bakuchiol serum to hydrate clear and smooth skin. Deeply hydrates skin and improves the appearance of uneven texture. So this In Beauty Project, I think it's a Korean brand. I'm not sure. I've never tried anything. If you guys have tried any of these products, please let me know underneath if you like them. I don't know how I feel about this serum. I am not familiar with the brand and I'm not familiar with the product, so I'd just have to try it out and let you guys know. And the next item I chose as well, so it's Barboletta Breakdown Oil-Free Makeup Remover. I'm just always in need of a makeup remover, always in need of a cleanser. So I'm really excited about this. I'll have to let you guys know. I'm also gonna do some empties videos coming up for you guys as well soon. I wanna get more active on this channel. There's a whole reason behind why I'm not as active here, but if you want more content here, again, interact with the video letting me know. And if you like tarot and horoscope readings, check out my other channel. I have it linked in the description box. So the next thing here is this hydrogel eye therapy. It says tear catchers, hydrate and brighten. And I always love a good sheet mask. I always love a good eye mask. I honestly find they show like instant results. Definitely with sheet masks though, you have to keep using them and the results are instant, but they don't really last. But it's a really nice way to pamper yourself, and I've been really into self-care lately, so super excited about that. I chose that as well. And this was an add-on that I added in. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation. It says skin looks more radiant by up to 285%, science and color in 2 neutral. So Charlotte Tilbury is a brand I've been wanting to try for a long time. I've been eyeing their products, but just trying to go through what I have. It looks like a pretty good match for my skin tone from what I can see, especially in the summer when I have a tan. So, and I love a good neutral. If you're a girl, if you're someone who has like a lot of redness on your skin or you turn flushed easily, I would always recommend going with a neutral skin tone to counteract that. So I'm really excited about this. I paid extra for it though. I added it on, but I think it was like $12 US or something. And normally on the site it's like 40 or 50. So I just hope that they include Charlotte Tilbury in my boxes because I really enjoy the products. And the next thing also I chose was this Man-Eater Tarte palette. I love a good palette, love a good eyeshadow. It's beautiful, wow. Like the pattern on it is so nice. And these are the colors, wow. The colors are super beautiful. You've got some shimmer, some sparkle, everything going on here. This looks like a great everyday palette, and it also has a lot of mix of mattes and neutrals. Trying to show you without the mirror here. So it's a beautiful, beautiful palette. So I'm definitely going to be adding that to my makeup counter and starting to use it. I love Tarte's products. So overall, this is my box. I picked this, and this was an add-on. Let me know what you got in your box. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. I would rate this box 4.5 out of 5. Really good box for me. This perfume smells amazing. I love it already. And I love, like I said, makeup cleanser and remover. Everyone uses that. Eye gels, face masks, everyone uses it. I just wish this was included. I wish I didn't have to add it on, but I'm really happy with this box. So this is my unboxing for April, and I'll keep unboxing for you guys if you like it. Thank you. Bye.